So, hello children, let's begin with your next topic, that is money. Why money is required? We need money to buy something, and what we'll do? We'll buy in the shop. We'll buy the things, and we'll pay the bills in the form of what? Money. Correct? We can pay the money like in the coins or in the currency of note. Okay, if these are the coins, okay, and these is the notes. Already you have studied in the last year. So which symbol we will use to write a rupee? This is the symbol. This is the symbol for rupee. The Indian currency, the Indian rupees, the symbol is what? This is. See, now we'll study how to read expressing the money in the words. So first we'll see how the coin will look. This is how much it is. Coin is 5 rupees. This is what? See now, 1 rupee. This is 2 rupees. Correct? The coins you have seen. And the now currency notes. Currency notes. This is what? How much it is? 10 rupees. And this is 20 rupee. Okay? And this is 50 rupee currency note. Okay? Now this is 200 note. Correct now? See now, this is 200. And this is, see now, one more is 500 currency note. So now, how to express the what money in the words or figures we'll study now. See here, now I'll show you. Expressing money. Okay. So for expressing an amount of the money in a figures, okay, we use is what? Symbols. What we use? The rupees. Okay. What? This is the symbol. And paisa. Paisa, that is P. This is the symbol. And whatever, how we will now here rupee, okay, and dot with paisa. This dot symbol will differentiate between what? Rupee and the paisa. See now I will write, how I will write, if I want to write rupees, okay, 9 rupee 75 paisa. It is 75. Already keep it in your mind, whatever the paisa we are writing, it is should be 2 numbers, 2-digit number. It should be 2-digit number. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind that whatever we are writing, the paisa, that should be 2-digit number. So now how I will write in the words now. See how I will write. This is what? 9 rupee 75 paisa. 9 rupees and 75 paisa. How we will write? Understood? See now, 9 rupees and 75 paisa. One more I will write. Rupees 63 rupee and 8 paisa. See now how I will write. 63 rupees and 8 paisa. Okay. See, keep it in your mind that whatever the paisa is there, that should be 2-digit number. Now I will give you what you have to write it in amount now. Following amount and figures we have to write it. See now example like. Example, see now 20 rupees, 20 rupees and 30 paise. How I will write in the figure this now? Rupees symbol, 20 rupee and 30 paisa. See now 30 paisa. The paisa should be always 2-digit number. Understood? And this symbol we have to write. If see sometimes one example I will show you over here. Okay. Now it is 90. Okay. 97 rupees and 5 paisa. How I will write now this? 97 rupees point 5 paisa. This is wrong. How we should write? Rupees 97.05. That should be a 2-digit number, then it is correct. Understood? And try to solve skill drill 11.1. I'll send you the key answers afterwards.